Most people buy the Samsung Galaxy Buds 4 Pro expecting better sound and stronger noise cancellation. But after using them for about a week, you start noticing a lot more than just those headline upgrades. In this video, we'll look at the real things that matter: sound quality, noise cancellation, comfort, call performance, battery life, and the smart features that make these earbuds feel more refined in everyday use. And if you're thinking about buying them, if you want to check the latest price of the Galaxy Buds 4 Pro, I've tagged it right below this video so you can see today's deals. So after spending about a week with these earbuds, here's what really stands out. The first thing you notice is the design and fit. Samsung kept the STEM-style look but refined the finish, giving the earbuds a more premium feel. They feel solid in the hand, and once they're in your ears, they stay surprisingly stable. After several long listening sessions, they remain comfortable without creating that pressure some in-ear earbuds cause. If you use the right ear tips, they stay secure even during walks or workouts. Now let's talk about sound quality, because that's where these earbuds really shine. The Galaxy Buds 4 Pro use a dual driver system with a dedicated woofer for bass and a separate tweeter for the higher frequencies. In everyday listening, this makes the sound feel fuller and more detailed. Bass has depth but stays controlled, vocals are clear, and the highs have good detail without becoming harsh. Whether you're listening to music, podcasts, or watching videos, the sound feels balanced and rich. Another thing that becomes noticeable after daily use is the adaptive noise cancellation. Instead of just blocking everything, the earbuds adjust depending on your surroundings. When you're in busy environments like cafes or public transport, they reduce background noise effectively while still letting certain sounds through when needed. It feels more natural than older noise-canceling earbuds that sometimes make everything feel overly quiet. Call quality is another improvement. Samsung upgraded the microphone system and voice processing, and during calls, your voice sounds clearer and more natural. Even when you're outside or in moderately noisy environments, the earbuds manage to reduce background noise quite well, making them reliable for phone calls and online meetings. The touch controls are also something you start appreciating after a few days. The earbuds respond quickly and consistently to taps, so adjusting volume, changing songs, or switching modes feels smooth. You're not constantly repeating taps to get them to respond, which makes daily use much easier. Battery life is also practical for everyday use. With active noise cancellation turned on, you'll get around 6 hours of listening time, and with the charging case, the total playback stretches to roughly 30 hours. In real life, that usually means charging the case every few days instead of worrying about battery constantly. Another advantage comes if you're using a Samsung phone. The integration within the Galaxy ecosystem makes pairing almost instant. Switching between devices seamless, and features like spatial audio and customizable sound settings easy to use. Everything just works smoothly together. After about a week of use, the Galaxy Buds 4 Pro don't feel like a completely new type of earbuds, but they do feel like a very polished upgrade. The sound is stronger, the noise cancellation is smarter, calls are clearer, and the overall experience feels more refined. If you're upgrading from older Galaxy Buds, the improvements will be noticeable. And if you're looking for premium earbuds with strong sound, comfort, and smart features, the Galaxy Buds 4 Pro are definitely one of Samsung's best options so far. Let me know what you think about them in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to Smartwatch Radar for more honest tech reviews and comparisons. I'll see you in the next one.